teacher and my dear friend. Great morning to all of you. Myself Anu from 10th standard. Today here for mastering the concept. So my topic is magnetic effects of electric current. So before starting my chapter, I want to tell you that what is magnet. What is magnet? So the substance that attract iron or iron-like substance is known as magnet. So there are some properties of magnet. First one is that each kind of magnet have two poles. Like this is a magnet and this have two poles. First one is north pole and second one is south pole. The second property is that like poles always repel each other. In this we have to take two magnets. In first magnet this is north pole and this is south pole. This is south pole and this is north pole. They are like poles, so they always repel each other. They never attract towards each other. The third property is that unlike poles always attract each other. In first magnet this is north pole, this is south pole. In second magnet this is north pole and this is south pole. They always attract towards each other. There are two types of magnet. Two types of magnet. First one is natural magnet. Second one is artificial magnet. The magnet which have magnetism and are formed by nature is known as natural magnet, and artificial magnet, the material by which magnet is made by different methods, is known as artificial magnet. There are many shapes of artificial magnet. I am repeating again that there are three shapes of artificial magnet, that are, first one is cylindrical magnet, second one is a bar magnet, and the third one is horseshoe magnet. So in our definition of natural magnet, a word comes magnetism. So what does it mean? Let's discuss about magnetism. Magnetism. So the property by which tiny pieces of iron or iron-like substance attract towards a magnet is known as magnetism. Suppose I have taken some tiny pieces of iron on my hand. If I put a magnet towards it and the particles attract towards a magnet, then this process is known as magnetism. So now our next topic is magnetic field. Magnetic field. The area around a magnet, is known as magnetic field. Its SI unit is Tesla, denoted by T. Magnetic field has both magnitude and direction. Magnitude and direction. We can measure it with the help of magnetic compass. Now I am going to show you the representation of magnetic field lines on a bar of magnet. Side by side I am going to tell you the properties of magnetic field. This is a bar magnet. As we know, each kind of magnet have two poles, north pole and south pole. So the first property is that magnetic field lines move north to south outside the magnet and south to north inside the magnet. North to south outside the magnet and south to north inside the magnet. The second property is that they are always in close and continuous curve. They are always in close and continuous curve. They are not stopping in between. So the third property is that the number of magnetic field lines will determine the strength of magnet. If the number of magnetic field lines increases, then the strength of magnet is also increases. The fourth property is that while drawing a magnetic field lines, we have to be sure that they do not collide each other. If they collide each other or intersect each other, then the actual path of the magnetic field lines will be changed. The fifth property is that the magnetic field lines which are closer to the magnet, they have strong force of attraction, and which are away from the magnet, they have less force of attraction. So this is all from my side. Thank you and have a nice day.